Hi, Debbie Chew here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to solve that age-old problem. What do you do with all your leftover baked potatoes? Got a few left. Sure, you can reheat them, have another baked potato, but I thought it'd be fun to do like some baked home fries. So that's what we're going to do today. A little twist on taking care of your leftover baked potatoes. Let's get started. Now, as you can probably see, these potatoes have been in my fridge for a few days, so they're gonna probably need to be brought back to life a little bit. So what I do is I just cut them down the middle, cut that in half, and then just chop them up, and I'm gonna put them in this bowl. And you can, if you just want to do slices, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to continue to cut up my potatoes. We have all our potatoes in our bowl, and now we're going to season them up. But they're kind of dry. So what I'm going to do is, I've got this little water sprayer. I'm just going to spray them with some water so the spices will stick that I'm going to be putting on here. All right, so I'm going to use a little onion powder, a little smoked paprika. Anybody that's been watching me for a while knows that smoked paprika is one of my favorite spices. A little granulated garlic. And then a little bit of black pepper. Okay, then we're just gonna stir these around and make sure that all the spices are coated. I am making these salt-free, but you're more than welcome to add salt if you like. So no salt, no oil. Then I just have a lined baking sheet. I'm gonna dump them out. And I'm going to bake them at 400 for about 15 minutes. So let's get these in the oven. So look at this plate of crispy potatoes. This is going to be a great addition to your breakfast. And actually you could eat these anytime, but it's a great way to use up your previously baked potatoes. So give this one a try. I'm going to give it a try right now. Just going to do a little bit of ketchup. Really good, nice and crispy, great flavor with those spices. So just remember, it's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.